Hello, this is Mike Janulitis, founder of Cornerbull Software. In this video, I'm going to provide you with an overview of our latest software package, Cornerbull Event Log Manager 2021. Event Log Manager is targeted to IT professionals that want to monitor log files in real time or near real time, consolidate native Windows event log files such as EVTX files to a central file server, and consolidate Windows event log entries to a centralized consolidation database such as Microsoft SQL Server. Event Log Manager supports Windows event logs, Windows application log files, text log files, Syslogs, and Azure Active Directory audit logs. Event Log Manager is available for a 30-day trial from our website under the Downloads menu item. Event Log Manager is a 64-bit Windows application that installs on Windows Server 2019, 2016, 2012, and 2008 R2. The software can also be installed on the equivalent Windows 10 through Windows 7 SP1 operating systems. Tutorials for this software can be found on our website under the Tutorials menu item. The software includes an Explorer view which lists all configured computers, templates, reports, and so on. With that in mind, I'm going to explain how this software works. Hosts are added to the software through your Active Directory tree or can be manually added to the system. Templates contain configuration settings such as the logs to download, the frequency to download log files, and the filters and actions to apply to a monitored log. Templates are then assigned to hosts. Next, reports scan consolidated log entries, apply filters, then generate results, for example, a list of successful domain administrator logons that occurred yesterday. Let's take a look at the types of templates you can create. If I select File, New, the Create New object view displays. This view enables you to add or create all the various types of components. If I expand Templates, I can see 4 sections: Log Management, Windows Monitors, Network and Application Monitors, and SSL Certificate Monitors. Well, you might be asking, well, there is quite a bit more functionality outside of log management, and you are correct. If you already have a Server Manager license or purchase a Server Manager license instead of an Event Log Manager license, you will gain access to the Server Manager functionality, which includes Windows monitors, such as CPU, memory, disk space, and soon-to-come services and processes, network and application monitors such as ping and DNS blacklist monitors, and many more soon to come. And finally, various SSL certificate monitors. Expanding log management reveals log consolidation, log entry retention policy, log backup, log monitor, and Active Directory Account Lockout Monitor. Rather than creating a new template from scratch, I'm going to show you some of the pre-installed templates. Back in the Explorer view, expanding templates reveals sample templates. Under that group, we can see various Account Lockout Monitor templates, log consolidation templates, and real-time monitor templates. Now, earlier I mentioned reports. Event Log Manager also pre-installs over 85 different reports for monitoring and audit compliance requirements. There is a report for each Advanced Security Audit Policy group as defined by Microsoft, as well as normalized reports for account lockout, success logons, failed logons, logon sessions, and various account management entries. Let's briefly take a look at three templates: event log consolidation, push event log consolidation agent, and event log backup. The event log consolidation template contains 6 tabs that enable you to configure the frequency to run, select the logs to consolidate, specify download options, including a filter to remove unwanted entries, and the number of days to initially download, log entry retention policy, post-consolidation filters and actions for notification as entries are downloaded, push template, which I will talk about in just a minute, and finally actions, which enable you to trigger actions when each monitor starts, completes, errors, and recovers. The right side enables us to assign hosts and host groups. The push event log consolidation template enables you to automatically install an agent on remote Windows machines. The agent is able to push event log entries 12 times faster than the native Windows technology WMI. If necessary, you can manually install the agent as well as route packets through an Azure Relay hybrid connection, enabling you to download logs from any computer on the internet. Selecting the Push Template tab reveals the Push Template option is selected. Moving on to the event log backup template, we can see options to specify the central destination location, compress to zip, encrypt and password protect, digitally sign, automatically delete old backups no longer needed for audit compliance requirements, then finally clear the remote event log. Moving on to Syslog, you have the option to automatically add devices to the software as they push Syslog messages to this server. Or, if you prefer, the servers can dump messages if the device has not already been added to the system. Just like the event log consolidation template, you have the option to filter out messages you are not interested in saving to the database. You have the option of running both UDP and TCP Syslog servers, and configuring message and attribute value delimiters. Now let's take a brief look at text log monitoring. Selecting the Log tab reveals controls to select the text log files. When selecting a Windows server, Windows shares are returned. When selecting a Linux server or other SFTP-enabled device, the file system is returned through SFTP over SSH. The software supports defining many different types of entry delimiters, and includes other monitors such as maximum size and idle file. Filter and action rules can also be applied. Event Log Manager supports saving consolidated log entries to MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Cosmos DB, Elasticsearch, and the native Cornerbolt file system. The software includes two databases, a primary log repository database, which contains the latest entries, and an archive database that contains older log entries for audit compliance requirements. When expanding a data provider, we can see a list of hosts and consolidated logs. Event Log Manager includes robust log entry viewers that enable you to page data by the number of entries and a number of days. Filters can be applied, entries searched, and data paged. Entries can be grouped by columns, message preview disabled, and duplicate count displayed. Real quick, I want to show you some sample reports. Here's a sample success logon report. Failed logon report. And generic warning and hire report. There's quite a bit more functionality to show, but in the interest of keeping this introduction as short as possible, please take a look at our other online videos. Thank you for watching, and please direct any questions you have to info@cornerboltsoftware.com.